was I talking about? I forget a lot of things I talked about. I think I was gonna bring up Game of Thrones, but yeah. That last episode, that ending, I really thought that was gonna happen. I really thought that was gonna happen. Why would you put an MP3 player in your boyfriend's head? What's wrong with you? I mean, from Game of Thrones. I really thought that ending was gonna happen at least in the season finale, because that felt like something huge that would have been for a season finale. But yay, it happened. Catch a good one. There you are. Hey! Oh! Oh no. That is not fun. No. I hate the fucking sneak attacks. Just as much as I hate jump scares. And you know what? Just because I love horror games and horror movies and anything of the sort does not mean that I am immune to fear. Because it's not. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Hey! Come on, man! I just said! No fucking sneak attacks! You fucking... God! There we go. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry. I get aggravated easily with video games. His tiny head on his body. This is my comic relief right here. This is how I can get calm. Oh, it's adorable.
God, Nick, that was so hot.
I know, them barrels were just on fire! And why were you getting turned on by that? That was just gross.
I hate this!
That was just gross. Why were you turned on by that? Okay. Not good with different tones of this.
Strikes like 18 times.
Boop. Ah, there's 5 frame of death punch. Too bad you can't hear it. I'm sorry. I know people get mad about that, but you with the copyright claim.
We'll rescue everyone.
Oh, the fucking whoa! My controller is going out of control. It's the fucking lightning. Oh god. Okay, that is. I think that's a lot more lightning than I had in the previous difficulty levels I've done. I did. No, lightning. I don't want to get shot. It eats up a lot of life. No. Yes. Oh, no, I didn't want that. Because I already had one. Yeah, see? It just fucking eats away. Alright, Paul. You gotta die. Come on, Paul. Get you in the corner. Come on. Come on, little Paul. Oh, god, I got him. It's like 4 in the morning. The leg just flew. By the way, I didn't mention this because I was still talking. When I killed that football player in the last part, did his leg just like fucking fly away into the heavens? Oh, I had the John Con version in my head, so that's fine. It's all good. Dino City is a game, and never want that to be mine. There we go. That is a lot of fucking lightning. Whoa! I was yawning. It's already yelled, I'm sorry. Come on. Hey, you're like... Oh, come on! Fucking shit! beans. Alright, let's do it. Come on, one more. Oh, damn it! Yeah, I know, Nick. I know you got electrocuted. I kinda use it. One left. Ooh, I'm gonna go the cool way. I'm gonna go the right.
What do you think it is, Nick?
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff.
I was thinking of whatever 5 fingers that pumps in. Come on, come on. Yes! Right at the end. What? No! No!
No!
No! I fucking made it! No! That is fucking bullshit. I made that. I was already taking off when the timer had completely run out from those milliseconds. Are you gonna be the time Nazi that's gonna fuck... I made it!
They're right, the lightning doesn't strike twice. It
I
strikes like
fucking
18
made
times.
that. You are not gonna be stingy with the fucking time and be like, well, you had a couple milliseconds left, but we're not gonna count that. I'll do this shit over again with the fucking firefighters. Like, oh, I'm gonna kill you this time. I gotta make my way to you.
I feel like singing is raining men.
Maybe that'll help. Yeah, I'll sing. It's raining man. Hallelujah. It's raining man. Raining man. Kinda helped. But I'm still fucking mad. No fireballs. No fucking fireballs. Come on. No bloody fireballs. Yeah, yeah! The lightning struck Paul down. That's right. That's right, Paul. Go on, come and watch your friends die. Yeah, come a little closer. Come on, all you fucking friends die while I leave it to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fucking yeah. You're done. 2 of yous left. 2 of yous little douchebags left. Yeah, fucking. Oh. How does lightning feel like ass, Nick? I thought ass was supposed to be soft and cushiony. And wonderful. Alright, Paul. You're about to join your friends. You miss your friends already, Paul? Oh, I feel bad for you. No, I fucking don't. Because I'm so sick and tired of seeing fucking firefighters already. So I gotta do this shit over again. Come on, Paul. Couple more hits. Couple more hits and you're fucking dead. Yeah, 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 there you go. There we go. Now you're gonna spend all fucking eternity listening to that fucking Katy Perry song. What fresh hell do you live in? Get the easy one, man. Somewhat easy one. Whatever. I can get an axe grip for a second. Yeah, oh, you're right there. I'm missing a mouth? Teeth, but I don't think you have a jaw. Oh, there's your jaw. I see. Cutting your dick again! Right at the fucking seams. That made me feel better. That made me feel good. Okay. Get my lollipop. Up. Up. And away. Okay. Gonna try this again. I don't think there's a way to speed up.
Yay, my present! What do you think it is, Nick?
Well, I hope
It's a big
torso
pile of
and
fuck
legs
you,
and
that's
stuff.
what it is. If I don't get
Not a
this again.
dick.
Come on. 8, 3, 2, 1. fuck you! Oh, really? You're not gonna let me just go because I'm already up on, like, taking off from the ramp? And I noticed a lot of lag. I don't know what was happening there. How many frames per second we're going, but goddamn, that got. No, I made that. I'll be right back, you guys.
Strikes like 18 times.
Okay, I'm back. Oh fuck! Come on! I come back to a fuck. That is glorious. Alright, give me my Wally. Give me my Wally. Under titties. You know what? I'm gonna go the pussy route. I'm just gonna go the regular way. I wanted to do the cool way just for you I'm gonna call you fuckers, just for you guys, for my boys and ghouls. But you know what? The game's gonna be stingy titties for me. Fine. I'll conform. I'll go with it. Fine. Get that thing hit me with a fucking baseball. Stop. I bet enough moves this. I have a feeling after this, I'm going straight to the punching bag. I gotta work out my anger.
I see the ship.
I have tried the meditation route, as Aaron does on Game Grumps, and it just does not work for me. I have such a weird kind of level of anger that can only be worked out through working out, basically. Well, we are very close to the boss fight. Anyway, we are very close to Vic, the Viking metal zombie. Just gotta do this. Just gotta do this shit now. There is a dog barking outside my window. I don't think you can hear it though. But he is loud as shit.
Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
Cordelia is like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
I hate the Chainsaw Blaster, by the way. Mainly, you'll see. Because I have a feeling I'm not gonna get this the first time.